So if you want to manually control the layers, you can do that easily here in Microsoft Visio. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some shapes. So I'm going to go into my shapes right here, and I'm going to bring in some shapes, for example, some general shapes, some basic shapes right here. So I am going to just drag these shapes around here, just randomly, just like that. And I'm going to bring up some more just like that as well. So let's say now I want these three shapes in one layer and these three shapes in another layer. So what I can simply do is I can click and drag it so all of them are selected. And once I do that, what I can do is I can go into layers right here and I can assign to layer. So I'm going to click on that. Once you do that, you can see that since I have no layers right now, it asks me to write in a layer name. So I'm going to say shapes 1 and I'm going to press OK. So once you select that, I'm going to press OK, just like that. So these three I'm going to assign in another layer. So I'm selecting all of these, I'm going to go to layers, assign to layer. You can see that I can add it on the same layer, but I'm going to add it in another layer right here. So I'm going to press new, and over here I'm going to say shapes 2 and press OK. So this is shapes 2. You can see that that is checked on right here, and I'm going to press OK. So now I have layers. I'm going to go over here into layer properties. So I have shape 1 and shape 2. So I can disable this layer, apply. You can see that that layer is disabled, apply, that layer is enabled, just like that. So I can also use connectors right here. So I can go for connectors, click and drag. And you can see that if I were to go to connector right here, so I can just click and drag this out just like that. So connector, click and drag, connector, and click and drag this out right here, connector, click and drag this out over here. So what I can do is I can select all of these connectors. So I'm holding shift to select all of them individually just like that. And I can assign it a different layer. So I can go to layer, I'm going to assign to layer, and connector has been already created for me, as you can see right here. So connector, press OK, and there you go. So that's another layer right there. So layer properties, that's the connector layer, apply, connector layer, visible, and so forth. So I can lock individual layers. If I want to remove a layer, I can simply select it and remove it out. So press yes, apply, and there you go. The layer has been removed along with its objects. So that is how you can assign, create, and delete layers inside of Microsoft Visio. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.